I just met with some of the local folks that live around here, right beside this big old piece of land. And it's always great to get to know your neighbors. And they gave me some pretty good pointers about hunting this 1,300 acres. Well, it's 13 plus 100. I'm walking in now. I got a ways to go. I don't have my little recurve bow with me. I brought my crossbow, and I brought my little chair blind. I'm going to walk in here and I'm going to set up and just sit for a while and see what we can see. We're in the first 10 days of archery season in Alabama, and that means it's bucks only. If they don't have horns, you can't shoot them. Well, you can't shoot them legally. I saw a few days ago when I was in here some really nice buck tracks, 2 sets of really nice buck tracks, and maybe, just maybe, one of them will come walking along. Now that it's rained and you can see what's been walking around, there are deer tracks galore out here. And now it's just the waiting game. Getting into the sweet time of the day. There's about 30 minutes of daylight left. I always call this the mystical time of the evening. Let's see what happens. Where the deer walk through there. They'll bed on this hilltop, and then they'll come back into here. There's a bunch of hardwoods, a lot of acorns in there that they'll feed on. Right now, I'm just going to do a slow mosey back to the truck. I had a good few hours sitting there just relaxing and watching the woods and listening to the sounds of the woods. I travel this in and out right through here. I'll be back. Let's go to the truck, y'all. It's amazing how different things look out here when you get into this time of the day. I was beginning to wonder if I was headed the right way to get back to this road. been a good hunt. Didn't kill anything, but that's okay. Season is young. This one with a field tip, and that's what I use to uncock this bow. Well, hey there. Appreciate you coming along with me. I got a little way to go to get back to the truck. Man, is it a beautiful, beautiful evening. I'll see you on the next one, folks.